everyone, it's Morgan from For the Love of Paper, and I am here to do my design team kit unboxing for this month's Kitaholic kits. So in the box I have the main kit, the embellishment kit, and the mixed media kit, which I'm super excited about because if you had watched the kit reveal on Sunday night, I think it was, the mixed media kit looks amazing and I can't wait to get my hands on it. So I do have my two little helper buddies here, so if you're hearing noises and seeing random things in the shot, that's what it is. So let's get unboxing. Alright, I'm going to start with the main kit, and this is based on the Simple Stories I Am collection, and we'll go through the papers. So this is called Simply Me. And we've got a floral side and then this scripty font side, which I really like. I really like both of them. It's a hard choice. I'll go with that one for now. This one is called Staying Positive. I love this. I think we could cut these out, fussy cut some of these. Actually, a few of these could be fussy cut. And then this side, I'm not as big of a fan of this side, but it could be good for layering. So I'll use this one. This one is called Make It Happen, and I love both sides of this. Anything with a black background, I'm usually all over. I think I'm going to go with that one. So I see some nice feminine layouts coming up this month. Maybe me, some of my family members, my mum, my grandma, sister even. This one here is called I Live Vibrantly, and we've got the watercolor splotches, and these kind of look like raindrops, which is kind of fun. And then this one, which is like a school notebook. And we've got another one with a black background called Bold and Beautiful. And again, these would be perfect for cutting out. Oh, so many ideas. And then just a beautiful black and cream stripe. Oh no, this side. This one is focusing on the good. And we've got some copper foiling. I am strong, I am simply me, I am choosing happiness, I am grateful. So that's really awesome. I love that actually. I think, oh, this is fun too. I might die cut. I might cut a few of these out, but I'll probably use this side more. And this one is choosing happiness, and we've got gold foiling, I think. Oh no, it's sort of that coppery color again. It could be rose gold. You never know. On these beautiful butterflies, and then we've got a lovely pink and cream pinstripe. Oh, that's tough. I'm gonna leave it on that for now. Then we've got a set of like thickers, puffy alpha stickers, and this is from Pink Fresh Studios. This is a case of the Blahs, so that's the collection we used last month, but these are just beautiful. I hadn't even seen these before, and oh, I love them. Got that. We've got 3 big doilies, so these are hand size, and they're really really intricate and just super pretty. Got 3 of those. We've got this from Simple Stories, the Bliss collection. So it's all the pieces in there. I won't take them all out, but I really like this happy with like the flower background through it. Then we've got this from Charms Creations, which is a layered embellishment. It's kind of made out of felt, and it looks like denim and some mesh. She makes some beautiful things. So with that, oh, matches very well with that. And we've got a bag of sequins and some hearts in there. So beautiful. I've got so many sequins. I got to start using them up. Then we've got this from Corbett Creations. She always does some amazing stuff for these kits. So we've got Live More wood veneer. We've got a pair of scissors. It's perfect for the scrapbooker. Happy, a little banner border something, a camera. Then we've got a bunch of hearts. These are about 1 centimeter in diameter. And then we've got these really cute, what are these? Resin? No, they're not resin, they're... I will think of the word and get back to you. The little flowers, and they are so cute. I love them. And they're again about 1 centimeter in diameter. So that there is the main kit. Then I'll move on to, I'll just push this to the side. Sorry, I'm working on the floor today because why not? And this is the embellishment kit. All the goodies out. So this is from Pinkfish Studio, the mix. I don't know if that's a collection or just like something they have in their store. Puffy heart stickers. And how many puffy hearts do you need? That is so cool. It's going to take me a long time to use all of those. Actually, I'll probably use these ones, and these ones. Actually, these. This, and this up first. And I'll be left with this, and this. Because I don't use green or orange all that often. But I will try. See how long it takes me. That's the challenge for the next 2 years to see if I can use it up. Simple Stories collection, the I Am, and this is the sticker sheets. I'll take these out. This one. Oh, so this matches with that pattern paper from before with the watercolor splatters. Some words and phrases. These ones are really good for in your planners and diaries. They're just a good size for that. Some just sorted stickers, some labels and little tags and banners. More words, and then some more of these square ones. I might actually do that layout just using those, I think. That'll be fun. And then we've got this roller stamp, and it's I am amazing, so very blessed, enough, my own beautiful, so happy, simply me, loved and adored, dreaming big, strong, grateful, and important. You never have too many roller stamps. And the last thing for this kit is this little bag of goodies. Here we go. I might put them onto here. So we've got 3 little tassels, and then we've got an assortment of different resin flowers. This one and this one. That one's really sweet. That there is the embellishment kit. And then last but not least, my helper here is busting to get into these. We'll start with this. So this is the watercolor set of so I haven't used this type of watercolors before. I've only used and my other helper's coming in to help out as well. Whoops. Wow, buddy. So I haven't used this type of watercolor before. I've only ever used the ones in the pans. So this will be super fun to use. I'm rather excited actually. I kind of want these kids to go to sleep so I can play. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is that? Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
That's my favorite color.
That's your favorite color, blue?
And that's cyan blue.
The cyan blue. The fact that he knows that it's cyan blue amazes me. So we've got that, and then we've got this. Oh, here you go. Some little baby feet in the shot. And then this one is stencil. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Do I have, here we go. So it's kind of like, could be a flower or a sunset. And then this piece, and then this is kind of a splotchy bit. And another flower. Can I have a look at that, what you just had? Not that one, this one. There we go. So that's how she's designed it to be used. Oh, that's a really cool idea. And that is this month's mixed media kit. So I will leave links below to Kitaholic's kits, so you can go and check them out and subscribe to get your own box of goodies every month because they're absolutely amazing. Yeah, that's it. So be sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see what I create this month using these products. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.